So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can search any messages or chats directly in your WhatsApp web application or WhatsApp application on your Windows devices. That means you can search into all the messages, all the chats for any specific message that you have been sent all together. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply let's first open the WhatsApp application. Make sure that the application is up to date. Now here all you need to do in this search bar, you just simply need to type anything, like if you want to search for documentation. So first of all, you'll see the basic chat that appear with the same name, and then when you scroll down, you'll find out the details, you'll find out the text messages that include that particular word as well over all the WhatsApp chats that you have been done, so you can easily find whatever you want to find. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.